Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hi children, hope all of you are fine. Have you gone through the lesson? The previous lesson was Reena and Rishi. Today we are going to see a new topic in grammar. Before getting into the topic, let's see few pictures and identify them. Come on. Can you identify this picture? Yes, it is a cricket bat. What is this? Yes, this is a ball. Can you see what is this? Yes, it's a t-shirt. It's Chennai Super Kings t-shirt. What is this? This is a t-shirt. Can you see what is this? Yes, it's a teacup. Can you identify this animal? Do you all know this animal? Yes, it's cow. Who is she? Yes, she's a nurse who works in a hospital along with the doctor. Which place is this? We all go to play along with our parents. Which place is this? Yes, it's a park. So what do you understand from the pictures shown to you? The pictures which we saw have names. The names like bat, ball, t-shirt, teacup, nurse and park. Thus all things have a name through which we identify them. These are naming words. All naming words are called nouns. So today's topic is about nouns. Yes, today's topic is about nouns. What is a noun? A noun is a name of a person, place, animal or thing. I'll repeat again. A noun is a name of a person, place, animal or thing. Let's see few examples for person. Doctor, teacher, chef, farmer, plumber, maid. These are the few examples of person. I'll repeat again. Doctor, teacher, chef, farmer, plumber and maid. These are the few examples of person. These are the few examples for place. This is school, hospital, airport, railway station, park, beach. We all love to go to beach, no? Yes. School, hospital, airport, railway station, park, beach. These are the few examples for place. Next we'll see animals. Let's see few examples of animals. Dogs, cats, bear, lion and few animals like giraffe, tiger, snake, monkey, zebra, elephant. These are the few examples of animals. Now let's see few examples for things. Mobile phone, books, television, pens and pencil, shoes, bag. I'll repeat. Mobile phone, books, television, pencil and pens, shoes, bag. These are the few examples of things. So let us practice what we have learnt. What is a noun? A noun that identifies person, place, animals or things is called a noun. I'll repeat. A word that identifies a person, place, animals or things is called a noun. What are some common nouns which we know in a person? What are common noun we know? So our father, mother, brother and sister are few examples of common noun which we know. Now let's see place. House, theatre, malls and hotels. Few examples for animals. Fish, frog, butterfly and ladybird. Ladybird we saw in our poem comparison. Do you remember? Yes. Now let's see few examples for things like table, chair, desk, blackboard, chalk. These are the few examples of things. So naming words are otherwise known as nouns. Nouns is a word that defines person, identifies a person, place, animals or things. Let us identify the noun in the following sentence. I'll read out the sentence. You will identify the nouns. First one, the students study in a school. Can you identify the noun here? Yes, it is student and school. Student is a person and school is the place. The second one, the kids play in the park. I'll repeat. The kids play in the park. Here, kids is a person and park is the place. So, the nouns are kids and park. Third one, the girls like to play with dolls. I'll repeat. The girls like to play with dolls. Here, girls is a person and dolls is a thing. So, these are the two nouns here. The fourth one, the cow lives in a shed. So, which is the noun here? Cow and shed. Cow is an animal name and shed is the place where cow lives. Now, the last one, animals are seen in the jungle. I'll repeat. Animals are seen in the jungle. Yes, it is very dangerous place, no? So, what is the nouns here? Can you identify? Yes, it is animals and jungle is a place. So, today's assignment is, I want you to look around your house and identify the nouns which you see. Hope you would have understand what is noun. So, with this example, you can identify the nouns in your house. I'll give you two examples and find out the others. Okay, children? The first example is sofa, then it is TV. So, you find out what all nouns are there in your house and write in a sheet of paper. Thank you, children. Take care. Have a nice time.
Today I learned a noun can be a person, place, or thing. Today I learned a noun can be a person, place, or thing. Today I learned a noun can be a person, place, or thing. A person, place, or thing. Grandma, sister, Uncle Harry, school, the mall, my town's library. Lunchbox, elephant, blueberry,